now on board. Learn lines which are used in Hindi writing. This is called standing line. See, standing line. This is sleeping line. We call it sleeping line. It can be big or small. Now, this is slanting line. It can be in any direction, towards right or towards left. This is slanting line. There are three lines: standing line, sleeping line, and slanting line. Let us learn shapes. What is this shape? This is half circle. It can be in any direction. We use it in writing Hindi. Now we start to learn writing Hindi alphabets. This is A. This is A. This is A. This is A. This is E. This is E. This is E. This is E. This is O. This is O. This is O.
हमने आपके रिक्वेस्ट पर मेंबरशिप शुरू की है। इस मेंबरशिप से आप सिस्टमेटिक तरीके से लिखना, हिंदी पढ़ना, हिंदी की प्रॉब्लम्स, सभी चीजें आसानी से देख सकते हैं।